Polynomial graph example 2. So look at one of the example here. So let's say we have a y equal to 2x minus 3 square x plus 4 square. So the first information that we can find, of course, we look into the x and y intercept. So we look for the x intercept. We put y equal to 0. So we have 2 minus 3 square x plus 4 to 0. This whole thing equal to 0. So we get we take the bracket equal to 0. So the first answer we get is 3. Second answer we get will be negative 4. So we have 3, 0, negative 4, 0. Right, next one we'll go and find out the y-intercept. So y-intercept, we put the x equal to 0. So this one we'll put as 0 minus 3, 0 plus 4. So we will get 2. This one we get minus 3 square. And this one 4 square. So with calculator, key and everything, you will get well, this one is a big number, so you get 288. So we get the next point with 0, 288. Alright. So we'll plot the graph here. So we get 3, 0. So somewhere here, 3, 0. And we get negative 4. Alright. And we get the 0 and 288. So this one is way up there. So since I'm not drawing according to scale, so I'll just estimate, I'll just put somewhere here. So we get a 288. Alright. So next we can go and proceed and find the 0, the multiplicity, which is m, and of course we're going to find out the behavior. Right, the first 0 is basically take from here, so we get 3, we get minus 4. Okay, once again we will have to look at the multiplicity. So the m here are referring to the bracket where you get a 0. So the first 0 is 3, we get it from this bracket. Outside is 2, so we just put 2 there. The second 0, which is minus 4, we get it from here, this bracket. So outside exponent is 2, so we put down there 2. And this 2 happens to be an even number, so we know that the behavior, it will be touch. So just put a remark there. Here will be touching, so here will be touching. Alright, the third information that we can go and find out will be we call it the end behavior. Okay, end behavior, we will have to go and find the power functions. So the power function, you cannot straight just use anything from here, because you need to analyze here. So this part, the power function will be 2x. Okay, be careful. X is power 2. X is power 2. So you're going to add up the exponent. So it's x power 4. This will be your power function. So basically is y equal to 2x4. Okay, so we're going to analyze this one and we're going to analyze this one. So since we are comparing a, x, n, so the a is 2, so which is positive, and the n is an even number. So we know that the end behavior of the graph will be both facing up, up. Okay, put remark there, facing up, facing up. Okay, lastly, we're going to find out the degree. And because of that, we can find out the turns. So the degree is actually, you can see, is actually 4. Alright, so it's 4. Turns will be 3. So the graph will actually have to show 3 turns maximum. So with all this information, so I summarize again: x-intercept, y-intercept, 0, multiplicity and behavior, and behavior, degree, and turning. So from here, we can plot the graph. So here will be turn, definitely is a U-shape that turn. Here, of course, it will be a U-shape that turn. Come down here, turn, touch and turn around, and then go to the y-intercept. Come down here, touch and turn around, and end up here. So you will see 3 turns because first, second, third. So you have 3 turns.